God up and step on the devil, you know. From the see the face when I don't know, you know. Bust loose, AK multiply the siler. And me see this thing I get out on, you know. See? And me I come live, come talk about it, you know. I have a little blogger boy when he Bumbleclot, Jump Out TV, hey boy, if you know yourself, you know. Me I listen a while ago talk, you know. About a shit mouth girl that we are come on social media and I disrespect Sizzla Kalonji, you know. After Sizzla Kalonji not to know them blood clot shit mouth girl there, you know. See? Sizzla Kalonji does get back him documents. They on stage at work and I do a mission where him always do. I burn out funny people and we not change. See? And me see you different pretty than on a Sykes, you know. Jump Out TV, you know. Show your face because you sound like a fish. See? Hear what this boy I say now, my people. This boy I say a freedom of speech. So Pretty Dan have the right to say she want to say. Because Sizzla go up on stage, go talk where he want to talk and burn out where he want to talk. So Pretty Dan have the right to come talk. Hey boy, you sound like a fish, Jump Out TV. Because you're different a fish. See, a me name bust loose. See? I want to stop calling up Sizzla name with this like thinking mode girl, you know. See? Oh, no. We saw now a blogger. Still promote this little thinking mode girl, yeah. Like she and Sizzla in the same class. This a girl I know in a nobody lead. This diet girl, yeah. See? Where might be the funny people, them appear for target Sizzla. And Uno as blogger now. Uno promote this girl here. Like she's anybody. See? She have life. Alright. She have life. The whole of we have life. We are human being. But when Sizzla up on earth, this girl has nothing near it. This diet girl here. Where does jump on Sizzla so. Like the funny people and PR money. Because this girl have to come off of social media a long time, you know. To this girl I deal with people, you know. But through them girl I live corruption life because she's a dyke. See? I talk something about Sizzla where she know. Blood clot, no. See? But what Sizzla do from what Sizzla do. You don't know nothing about Sizzla dirty blood clot girl. And you Jump Out TV, me see a different her. In a Sykes, you sound like a fish. And all of the bloggers them will still promote them girl there. You know, if you lose on the page. All this little germs girl that come on social media and disrespect Sizzla. And you know, promote it to make this dirty germs girl look important. What this girl do for Jamaica? Eh? More than she dep on social media and she's a dyke. And she gets support by her organization. Because pay them a PR to come do this. But no can't judge Sizzla. See? And if you stop call out the man Bumbleclot name now. And come off for the man name. See? Hey, Jump Out TV, me here make a talk about Sizzla, Rasta friend them, a threaten, dirty mouth, blood clot, germs mouth, girl, mother and father. Eh? You hear Sizzla making a talk like that? Two man have on them locks and them come on social media come talk. That means a Sizzla Rasta friend them. You see only like a Bumbleclot blogger, a demon's work on do. Come quick for running some narrow-minded thing. Oh, you feel come make them talk there. And I talk about Sizzla as a peacemaker, him a send man to go war people. My youth, you see the phone on a Judas. No phone no blogger on a Judas. Come quick for promote some fuckery. And this thing have to stop you now. All of the bloggers them want to stop call up Sizzla name with Bumbleclot Pretty Dan. Because Pretty Dan is nobody for now call up her name with Sizzla. Where Pretty Dan the phone now compare Pretty Dan and Sizzla. This little dirty blood clot girl they down in Florida where she want there. And I do her little thing. Overstep, cross the line. I want to promote her. Every day they want to call up her name and I share her. You don't feel pleased to make money them way, yeah? You don't feel pleased as a blogger to make money them way, yeah? For support them fuckery, yeah? You don't rate Sizzla. Because if you don't rate Sizzla, Oh no, no, promote this bumbuckler, germs more, shit more, blood clot, girl. And you only did rate sizzler. No found a blood clot fish. That's why no found a show no face. And someone will show no face on a fish too. Because we listen on the talk. Stop call up bumbuckler sizzler name with this shit more blood clot, girl. Sizzler feed people. Sizzler look out for all type of people. Yard and broad. We're pretty than I do. More than I depend to make money off of social media. So she will come do any disgrace to make money. A boy named Jump Out TV, but you need a padlock for your mouth. Because you're not supposed to attack them thing here. I talk about freedom of speech. See them like how Sizzler go up on stage. Go burn out people. Pretty than have a right to come burn out Sizzler. Hey boy, you know to say it's a fish. You know to say it's a fish, boy. A long time me I listen to talk some fish thing, you know. You Jump Out TV, you know. No fun as some undercover fish on social media. Or if you come and make them talk them. You don't know what is freedom of speech? No fun me you not talk about freedom of speech. Let me tell you something about freedom of speech. And everything on of a bumbuckler talk. Because you can get in a trouble. That's why I need freedom of speech. Sometimes if you keep the mouth shut. I talk about the girl have a right to come bumbuckler talk when she want to talk. Because Sizzler burning fire upon people. So she have a right to come attack Sizzler. Sizzler did not talk pretty than. Hey boy, you know to say it's a fish. Eh? You know to say it's a fish. You Jump Out TV is a fish. Because me and listen to your talk. What kind of right pretty than have to come disrespect Sizzler? Sizzler talk anything about pretty than when she up on stage? Sizzler don't even know the shit mouth, girl. See? Look much here Sizzler no get for travel. Coming to America. And now Sizzler no get back in documents to come in America. See? And they put one show a work and a burning fire. This girl come take on Sizzler. Eh? This girl come take on Sizzler. Like Sizzler did a talk about she. The man a burning regular fire because we know what him stand for. I come and talk a bag of things. And I different the girl in a style. And I compare this girl like she and Sizzler in the said classroom. This is got germs more blood clot girl. You know, this I get out of hand. And what we get to find out on social media. You see the people where support the nasty world, where go against God law, them have more strength on social media. Because they care what them do, them can't come off. The people them will go against God law and God commandment have more talk on social media than righteous people where live God law. Can me come and talk certain things when you quick for ban me and lock up a page. So all this girl can't come off of social media. You see, the devil them a support her. Because this girl have to come off of social media. No more time I see people, black people page. No for no black at enough time when I black something and people black on the page. When you get suspended off of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for a while. Because I listen on the talk enough time. I want to support this girl there with her dirty blood clam out and disrespect Sizzler Kalanji. I want to feel pleased about that. Man, we are wave the banner for poor people at Jamaica. And I help the youth them at Jamaica. You know, blood clot people Sizzler take care of. We're pretty than that. For now compare with Sizzler. There's like a shit mouth girl with too much shit in her head. She turn fool. She don't know what she represent. I want to come and call up Sizzler name about Sizzler send blood clot people I threaten pretty than mother and father. So you hear somebody on a phone. You hear somebody on a phone attack. You know say pretty than mother or pretty than father come live and talk. You hear a phone call. See? I want to say Sizzler Rasta friend them. I threaten pretty than mother and father. Eh? You know, if stop the delusion blood clotting and stop carrying down real people from blood clot earth. No phone no blogger, devil work on do. Remember me tell all you jump out TV, you need a padlock for your mouth. Remember me tell you that I mean say God up and step on the devil. Remember that.